Never throw your bacon fat away again. I'm going to show you how to make this incredibly delicious caramel with just 3 ingredients: bacon, maple sauce, and butter. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why is there a male voice talking? Well, I am the cameraman, and I'll be swapping in for Serinia for a couple of episodes. Right, let's get to it. So we start by rendering about 30 grams of fat from some bacon. I've chosen streaky bacon because it's the fattiest. And this one is also smoked because I like the smokiness that it gives to the caramel. Now, fair warning, the type of bacon you choose will impact the flavor, so pick a bacon that you like. Put the bacon in a pan and put the heat on low. Next, I'm gonna do something a little bit weird. When the bacon starts to caramelize on the bottom of the pan, I'm gonna add some water. Now, this is to stop the bacon burning, and it allows me to cook the bacon and render as much fat as possible from it. It also acts to deglaze the pan, and almost candies the bacon. I promise you, this will be some of the most satisfying bacon you've ever cooked. So, when the liquid turns from cloudy to clear, and you're happy with the cook on your bacon, remove it from the pan, drain off the fat, and as I said earlier, we're going to weigh out about 30 grams of bacon fat. Now, if you don't have 30 grams of bacon fat, then don't worry. You can always make up the extra fat with a little bit of extra butter, but if you're way off the mark, then you just need to cook more bacon. So next, we'll start to caramelize the maple syrup. Weigh out 100 grams into a saucepan and place on a low heat. Now, I'm using a thermometer to bring this to 110 degrees, as maple syrup is already a dark amber, and it's hard to tell when it's caramelizing. But if you don't have a thermometer, don't worry, just make sure your syrup looks like this, and use your nose to smell for burning. So once the syrup hits temperature, we'll go ahead and add our bacon fat, and whisk until combined. Followed by 50 grams of butter, this is salted, and again whisk until combined. So at this point your caramel has probably stopped boiling, so we're going to return it to the heat and bring it back to 110 degrees. And once it starts boiling again, you can turn off the heat and you're done. So at this point you can add some vanilla extract if you'd like. I chose not to. And you can also see me here tapping the saucepan. This is to get rid of air bubbles while it's still hot, and the mixture is not so viscous. So now there's nothing left to do. I think it's time for a taste. That is really good. Oh. Perfect. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you did like the video, then please consider subscribing. We are so close to the 1,000 subscriber threshold needed for monetization. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you for your continued support.